He gave you $50. Give him back the 400.
Please, я мой Гюзен.
Did you agree to give him
He's
the
my
4?
family, Gюzен.
No, but what is this?
Allah, he is my gold, he's Gюzen. What for you? No good to you.
Give him back the 400.
What is this?
Please, he's my gold, he's my family.
Well, what you say you need gas
Yes,
money?
gas money, go Miami, have money back you.
Get,
Okay, no, يا Muslim.
listen, he gave you $50 for gas.
No, he say he needs to go to Miami. So
Yeah, first he asked for gas money, then he
Hey.
extended it, bro. This is, bro.
No good, يا Muslim.
I
والله.
think he's gonna lie.
Allah, يا millionaire, I have no
Can you
Gizem.
prove-
Stop. No,
Don't touch my stuff.
no good me.
Don't touch my stuff. He
No,
gave you,
please, no
he
good
gave
me.
you $50. He was nice enough to give you $50. Half our weed fucking flew out everywhere.
Don't worry.
No
Don't
good
worry.
you.
My friend, you have $50. I give you this back.
Okay, no problem, يا Muslim.
You
والله.
got the number, you can give it back.
Yes, والله, you have no business me. No good you. No good you. يا Muslim. والله, and Muslim Allah. Gizem, you no good. You.
Maybe he needs
Allah,
money.
يا Muslim.
Yeah, he asked you for gas money, you gave him 50,
because
and then
he
he
said
kept
he's gonna
going
go
and going and going
Miami,
and
well,
going.
he is my
He
family.
needs to go to Florida. I can see with somebody.
Yes, money back you, Allah. Yes.
450 is enough for you to get to
Oh,
Florida.
okay, thank you, Allah. Thank you, sir.
You
Wallah.
got my number?
Yes, my number, yes, Wallah.
Where?
Yes, good. Give me,
Ah, fucking guy.
oh, yes. Number.
Tell me the number. Tell me the number.
Yes.
Tell me the number. Number. Read it.
Yes, okay, you call you.
No, you read it.
Call,
Okay,
yes.
call right now.
No good you. Respect.
Don't touch me.
Okay, give me 100 more, no
I
possible.
don't have it.
Okay.
Bro, why did you give...
Okay, so, okay, yeah,
Call me
Muslim.
right now.
Hi, okay, go.
Call me
Yeah,
right now.
Muslim.
Call me right now.
Excuse me.
Call me right now. bro.
Guzan, is Allah, is my family.
I know.
No good you.
Don't tell me I'm no good.
No good me respect you.
No, because he don't know you. He don't know you.
I don't know you.
He don't know you.
You can shoot me.
Wallah. Right, okay, ciao.
Please call me.
I go, okay.
Call me right now.
Huh?
Before I leave, you gotta call me.
Hey!
Hey, call my
Excuse me.
phone. Call my phone from your
Oh,
phone.
no telephone, no telephone. Wait.
Bro, don't touch me.
Call. Please call.
Okay,
Call me now.
Yeah. لا تقولوا اخواتكم قالوا تلفونوا بارو. May is call you. Call.
I have Ali call you. He's a good brother of mine.
Okay,
He's a good
go,
guy.
call
But
you,
call
okay.
my phone.
Yes,
Right
call you 1 minute
now.
call.
Right now. I'm waiting for you.
Ooh la la. Oh, telefono baro.
You're giving him more money than the gold is worth. You don't know if it's real.
I don't care about the gold. If he needs help, he needs help. If he calls my phone, we'll have him on the...
Yeah, but there's scams all the time, bro. And where's the rap that the weed with the weed that I had?
Fucking shit. All right.
You fucking always just look at all the weed on the floor. Bro, these are supposed to be rich people from Dubai, man.
That's what I said.
Why would you give them money like that? You already had it with $50.
No, he said, bro, this is worth $2,000.
Bro, but you already had it with $50.
I know, I don't want to... You see what he wants? He said he wants this back when he gets the money. You understand? This alone, brother, 18K. I can see this 18K, my brother. This right here is mad money. Call my phone.
You? Most cheap for just how much?
Don't worry about that. Give me the phone.
Yes.
Your phone number.
Mike, call you, phone you.
What's your phone number?
Guzan.
Number. 732, what's the number? Your number. Telephone.
Bă, ce faci asta? Ce faci tu mie? What you me?
Don't worry about this. What
Bagă-mă în nogul meu, yes. Ce faci asta? Nu, nogul meu
Don't
respect.
worry about it, brother. What is the phone number?
You talk about respect. My friend gave you money. You want to talk about respect? You touched me how many times?
No, no touch. What the phone number? Phone number. Your phone number. Don't go
I want the license plate.
Dă-te morții de aici! Dă-te morții de aici!
Okay? Everything's okay? Don't touch me. KBT 2003. KBT 2003. Chevy Suburban. KBT 2003.
Ce vrei, mă, de la mine? Ce vrei, mă, de la mine?
Did he give you your money back? You know why? Because I got his license plate.